to the second version of STEM at Home from Miss Kearns. We're back in my traveling STEM workshop. I promised you that I would show you one of my versions of the marble run, and I'm looking at pictures of yours along the way. I can't wait to see all of them though. Remember, our marble run used the engineering design process, and our challenge was to design and build a marble run. We had paper plates, paper towel rolls, toilet paper rolls, tape, scissors, and a marble. And here's our constraints. Must be at least 10 inches off the table, must have at least one curve, and the marble cannot fall off the run. So let's first see if I've met the constraints. Is it 10 inches off the table? Ooh. Oh yeah, just made it, 11 inches. So I've met the first criteria. Okay, does it have a curve? Oh yeah, look at all these curves. My marble's gonna have some fun. All right, and here's the last one. Is the marble gonna make it in one roll? Are you ready? No force except for gravity. Woo! It made it all the way through. So this was my marble run. I can't wait to see yours, and hopefully you'll be as successful. Now, I had to do some modifying. Remember, that's okay when we talk about STEM. All right, so let's move on to today's projects. Today we're going to use our STEM again with our paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls. There are so many things you can build using paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls. Now I'm going to start with one of my favorite ones. This is a balloon powered car. We are going to actually look at the design challenge today. We're going to use imagine, plan, create, improve, and launch. Now I've started some of this a little bit. This is the body of my car. This is the power of my car. Now, the force applied here is Newton's third law. Anybody know what that one is? Anybody, anybody, anybody? Remember, things have an equal and opposite reaction. So we're going to use the balloon to power our car. But the first thing we're going to do is make one. Now, you just need simple things around the house. Remember your toilet paper rolls. If you have some straws or something a little bit bigger for axles. You can even, if you can find some smooth sticks or straight sticks, you can actually use those for your axles. I use my straws to keep my axles in place. And then I just use some sticks. These are skewers that in the kitchen. If you don't have any, look somewhere else. Try to find something else that will work. Okay. Ooh, I gotta use some more tape. No, I don't like tape, but we're gonna need it. And then I've just used cardboard for my wheels. So I'm gonna put my wheels right on here. And let me put my back wheels on. My axle got a little crooked. Now, yours does not have to look exactly like this. You may do it any way you want to. You could actually try it with 2 wheels. You could try using, putting the axles through the toilet paper roll. Any way that you can do it to get it to work is wonderful. So, now my wheels are a little wobbly, but rolls pretty well, doesn't it? Now, I wonder how I could fix the wobbly wheels. Anybody have any ideas? Now maybe if I wasn't in my traveling workshop, I might have some clay around, but I don't. But you know what might work? Maybe some chewing gum to keep our axles straight and our wheels straight. So I don't want to provide the force, so I'm going to use my balloon power, right? So I'm going to blow up my balloon. Put it in the straw. I've taped it to the straw, and I'm just checking to make sure no air is coming out of it. Now remember, when I let go of the air, which way is the car going to go? It's going to go in the opposite direction. So whichever way I want my car to go, I need to put my balloon opposite. All right, so let's tape this on and see if we can get our balloon to roll. All right. So if I do it this way, which way is the car going to go? Anybody have an idea? I think if my air is coming out this way, equal and opposite, my car should go this way. So let's give it a try. Let me tape on my balloon first. And I might have some friction issues here though on the tablecloth. Let's see what happens. Aw. So I think I need to be able to keep this balloon a little bit back so it's not rolling on the floor, because it slowed down my car, and my car will actually go, it'll get some speed going pretty well. Excuse me, velocity, since we have a direction. Let me try moving the balloon back a little bit. So this is, like I said, we've got to play with these things until we get them to work. All right, here we go. Come on, wheels, do your thing. Yay! Woo! That one worked great. So make your cars, again, send me pictures. I can't wait to see what they look like. I can't wait to see your designs and the science you use to get yours to move. I'm pretty proud of how fast that one went. And that was with wobbly wheels, so yours should probably be even better. All right? So now here's a different project that we can do. If you're a Minecraft fan, you probably have seen catapults. They use catapults quite a bit in Minecraft. Well, I've built a really simple catapult using the laws of motion and simple machines. This is just a lever that I've used to make a catapult. All I've done is I put my paper towel roll down. I found the middle or the center of gravity of the lever, which is on my ruler, and I just used a little bit of tape and taped down a bottle cap so I have something to put in to catapult. So here we go. Does it remind you of a seesaw? Let's see if this works. Ready? Cameraman, are you ready? Oh man, I gotta work on it. I think I've got to get this one off the table so it'll go a little farther, because I discovered last time I tried it went straight up in the air. Let's see what happens. Oh no, that was a good one. Now let's try a bigger one. So we have more mass. Do you think it'll go farther or less far? Let's see. Let's see. I'm trying to give the same amount of force. Huh, it went farther even with more mass. So those light things don't move. You can try, don't do this in the kitchen. You need to go outside and maybe look for some pebbles again. Or marshmallows work really well. If you have like small cubes in your games or a pair of dice, anything, try aiming for a target outside, not your brother or sister. Try for a tree or something and target it and see how many you can get. Now you can change the amount of force, you can change the place where the lever is and see what happens. You can do a whole lot of things with this. Excuse me. So this is just a basic catapult, right? Now I've made another catapult that you guys that might be a little younger could work on. This is really simple. All I needed was a balloon, a paper towel roll, and some tape. Now I'm going to use my pom-poms again because they make a good thing to use inside because they don't hurt. And I'm going to use the power of the balloon. So I've tied the balloon and I've taped it to the end of the roll. And this is where my force is going to come in. I'm going to use the elasticity of the balloon to create the force. Ready? Coming at you. Oh, it didn't come out. Let's try that again. Here we go. All right, ready? Oh, come on. Let me try a big one. I've already had a couple of them going really well. Let's try the bigger one. Well, I need to work on this one some more. It was doing great until I messed it up, I think. Let's see. One more time. Need to get in there where the power is. One more time. Well, that one didn't work too well. I shot one across the kitchen the other day, so let's see if we can try something to make that different. And then, last of all, if you're in the mood for some STEAM instead of STEM, and you'd like to do some art and creativity with it, I've created some toilet paper monsters. So here we go. Here's my little alien. And all I've used is a little bit of paper and some scrap paper and more pom-poms. So this is my little alien. This is my aluminum man. I just use aluminum foil on this one. You can draw things on. And this one is ready for his shelter at home. He has his mask on, so he's nice and safe when he has to come back to school. So these are just simple things that you can do without throwing away your toilet paper rolls. Instead of wasting them, we can recycle them into something exciting. I hope you've enjoyed this, and hopefully we'll see you soon when we're back at school. Thank you.